The first day of spring? Oh, boy! Perfect for spring cleaning. What a mess! Better get started.
My spring cleaning is done. I feel so peaceful when everything is in its place.
Hi, neighbor. Time to return some stuff I buried. Nice catch, Wally.
Thanks for nothing. If you never darken my door again, it'll be too soon, Woodpecker!
This just in. A freak spring snowstorm has hit the Tri-County area. Neighbors should look out for one another as this storm could last for a few weeks.
Oh, this can't happen! Oh, no, 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 Weeks! No, Weeks! Oh, no, 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 Weeks!
For once, I agree with you, Wally. I'll go crazy in this place that long. I'll go to the rubber room. Start raving mad, man. Woo!
Okay, listen here, Woodpecker. If you gotta be a guest in my house, then you live by my Swedish cleanliness code, you bet.
Look, I didn't ask to get stuck here either. So just don't get me involved in any of your Swedish shenanigans and you won't even know I'm here.
It's a deal.
This week on As the Bread Rises, Mike and Michelle realize nothing makes their love stronger than getting abducted.
Wally, the TV's gone out from the storm. What'll we do with no TV?
I don't care what you do. Move! Just no more with the noisy and the messy, yeah? Must be calm.
Let me just, good as new.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker! Enough with the boom boom twang.
Hey, Wally, what are you doing?
I'm alphabetizing all my photo slides by the articles of clothing I was wearing in each shot. I'm going to check the order if you'd like to watch.
Gee, can I?
Yeah, and here I am at Mount Sweetmore in my checkered suit. Oh, yeah. I'll never forget this one. The National Fjord Watching Show where I wore my fuchsia parachute pants every day. Oh, yeah. Here I am at the Swedish leg waxing competition in my daisy yellow fisherman's hat. Wait a minute. This slide is out of order. Oh, no. Now we gotta start at the beginning again.
Wally, buddy, I can't take it anymore.
Pull yourself together, Woodpecker!
Hey, Wally.
What do you want now, Woodpecker?
Wanna play sharks?
Be not playing sharks.
Come on, Wally, buddy. We've been cooped up here for a week. You'll love it. The ground is the sea, and the furniture is the land.
Yeah, sure. So, even this coffee table is land?
You are a natural. Now just stay out of the water, or else.
Or else what?
Or else the shark will get you.
Shark? Shark! I help you, little buddy.
The only way to feed him is on his own turf. But how?
I know. My childhood crib in the attic. Shark cage! Fire! We did it! We beat the shark! We beat the shark!
Told you it was a great game. Wally, look! Woohoo! Snow's gone and so am I.
Oh, yoinky doinky.
Come on, Wally. Think of that shark mounted over the fireplace.
How about you mounted over the fireplace?
That's right, folks. We've been hit with more snow. There's nothing like a little more winter to really bring people together.
Stop the presses, boss. The culinary critic will have a review of Winnie's Big City Bistro in no time. Big city, my foot. These small-town places are never like the joints in the big city. I'm sure it'll close down just like all the other restaurants do after I review them. But enough dilly-dallying. I've got a job to do. Ta-da!
My first day in business. It's so exciting being a restaurateur.
Why, howdy and hi there. I'm Sil.
My first customer. Whoops, be right back. Winnie's Big City Bistro. Hi, Betty. What? The famous culinary critic is coming here? Today? An inside tip? Uh-huh. Always comes in disguise, but uses double initials when placing a reservation.
Von for Volley Walrus.
Volley Walrus? Betty, double initials. It's the critic. Fame and fortune, here I come. Mr. Volley Walrus, what a pleasure.
I want the best food, with no salt. I am terribly allergic to the salt, yeah? And I also want a window seat with clean window.
One window seat with clean window and hold the salt. Coming right up. Right this way, Mr. Walrus, to a wonderful seat and a perfect view.
Excuse me, miss.
I'll be back. How do you like Winnie's Big City Bistro so far?
Look at this stain. I can't eat here.
Oh, no, please wait. At Winnie's Big City Bistro, the customer is always right. I'll be right back with appetizers. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, waitress! Where are my appetizers?
Our appetizer of the day, sea salted calamari.
I said no salt!
Excuse me. I don't think I ordered this.
Gee, I guess if it's on you, then it's on us. Oh, calamari all over one customer, salt in the critic's food.
Ma'am, I'm ready to order.
Oh.
I'll have some of this pasta. And an extra serving of garlic bread.
You're not the only person in this restaurant! Have a seat and I'll be right with you. Appetizers for the most discriminating appetite.
I'd like some of the pasta I smell.
Of course, sir.
Oh, ma'am!
Here.
No good pasta.
Oh, no. The lobster at Winnie's Big City Bistro is fresher than anywhere else in town. So, what do you think?
Miss, can I have some soup, please?
One soup for you.
Waitress, there is the turf from my surf and turf.
Coming.
Oh, ma'am!
What?
This soup could use a little salt.
You got it.
Waitress, I would like something else.
How was your lobster?
What else have you got that's good?
Whoa!
Try this and this and these and those.
Miss! Do you hear? Miss! It's too salty now! Miss!
Well, if that's all you have, then I'll be going.
Wait, Mr. Walrus! You haven't tasted, my soup! You're done, dearie.
Hey! Oh,
Salt! I'm allergic to the salt!
Brother!
Oh, no! Everything is ruined. Help! This is the Big City Bistro. I've blown up the Culinary Critic.
what are you talking about? I'm the culinary critic. I wore this disguise so I could get impartial service, which I must say I have.
You're the critic? Oh, my gosh, oh, my gosh. I'm so sorry for the way I've treated you.
Where's the fire?
In my eyes, that's where. I'll give you water, you no-good critic and posturing bully. If there's anything I can do to make this up to you, free dessert. Your own special reserved table. The truth is, I was just working as hard as I could for a good review.
And a good review you'll get.
What?
This place is amazing. It has all the hustle, the bustle, and the pesky patrons of the best big city restaurants.
You liked it?
The atmosphere was authentic. I can see the review now. Culinary Critic raves. Winnie's Big City Bistro is perfect for people wanting a taste of the big city in their own backyard. Customers will be lining around the block. Newsflash, everybody. It's romantic. It's authentic.
Daddy,
It's...
you're not going to believe what happened. I'm a hit. There's nothing like a trip to a state park, home of our gentle forest friends. Do not feed the bears. Do not talk to the bears. Do not even think about bears. Huh? Do not put up a fight. Hey, I'm driving here, bub.
No, I'm driving here!
Whoa, 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 whoa. You won't get away with this. Too short. Too lean. Too ugly. Bingo! He's the one who stole my car.
Big Al. We'll finally put him away when you testify at the trial tomorrow, Mr. Woodpecker.
But I can't testify. Big Al could have friends.
We promise to keep you safe and under police protection.
I can't do it, man.
I think you'll find the safe house accommodations aren't too shabby.
Woohoo! Duty calls.
take care of the witness. Hey, buddy. Wanna play concentration?
Soon as I sink this shot, Ossifer. Yep, I'm as safe as a bug in a rug with all this protection.
Bye-bye, buddy.
So, you ready to lose your shorts? I'll go first.
Yeah, you will.
Are you okay? Wait a minute. Do you think that was Big Al sending a message? Do you think that was meant for me? You gotta protect me! Yeah, a nice scary sound like that'll keep him away. You cleaning the pool so we can swim?
Yeah. This algae's murder.
We need some pool toys.
Gotcha.
Whoa! This pool toy sprang a leak! That does it! We're getting out of here! What am I thinking? I'll be an open target outside. We gotta secure this place. They almost got you twice now. I could be next, man!
I'll secure the perimeter.
Good, good. He's securing the perimeter. I feel safer already.
It's just me. Complimentary fruit from the precinct.
Oh, how thoughtful.
End of my shift. See ya, buddy.
That's no fruit basket. Let me out! It's you! Shut the bomb off!
There is no shut off.
Three seconds to detonation. Kiss yourself goodbye.
It's for you!
No, you.
No, you!
Fine.
You wanna leave? Let me show you the door!
You're not gonna be the first witness I've ever missed. I'm the best there is in the business. I have no equal. There is none greater than I.
Would you get the door, please? Your Honor, that's the guy who stole my car. And that's the guy he hired to make sure I didn't make it here to say that's the guy who stole my car.
This is a tissue
What
of
are you
lies.
talking about?
Order! Order in the court! Can you prove he tried to stop you from getting here today, Mr. Woodpecker?
Exhibit A. Need I say more?
What are you looking at?
It would be a pleasure to testify against him at the next trial.
Trial is set for a week from tomorrow. Of course, we're going to have to put you in another safe house, Woody.
No problemo. And here's the one I want. Yep, a guy could get used to this kind of justice.